Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So in today's video I will be reviewing another video with Mslynn hair, and this time they did send me a 360 unit. You guys most likely won't see the back, of course, because it's a 360, and with 360 units, you guys, truth be told, I really don't do anything with the back. I just put my hair in a middle part or a side part and I just keep it moving. And those who are not familiar with 360 units, basically the unit is very versatile. You can put it in an updo ponytail, put all the hair in a ponytail basically. You could do a side part, you could do a middle part, you can do so much with a 360 unit. So if I were to do something with the back, I probably would most likely go to a stylist. These people be so loud sometimes. Like, I don't mind a little loudness because I come from a big household, but sometimes it just be a lot, like. But anyway, but yes, I will most likely go to a stylist if I was to go ahead and do an updo look or something like that, or a bun, anything with this unit when it comes to a 360 unit. So yeah, this unit is also at 26 inches, you guys, at 180% density. So the unit is not too full, but it's not, you know, too thin either. I think this unit is the perfect fullness. So as you guys know, most of the time I'm just creating content in different parts of my room. Basically I'm just you know, in my room reviewing products. I'm in different parts of the room. I want to make the room look aesthetically pleasing for you guys, of course, to keep you guys watching. And of course, I don't want to be sitting in the same place every time you guys come to a video. So with that being said, you guys, I'll always, I'm telling you, I always need something cute to wear when I'm in my video. Like, even if it's a robe, like, it has to be a really cute robe. So the pajamas that I have on today is a two-piece pajama set, you guys, from 𝗬𝗿 Luxwear. This company is on Etsy. You can find Etsy if you just basically download the app. You can sell any type of products on there, clothes, hair, press-ons. That's where I get my press-ons, anything basically. So yes, this company is on Etsy, and they did send me two products. They sent me the shirt and pants, and then they also sent me the shorts. So you guys, like I said before, I always want to have something cute when I'm in my videos, and I also want to be comfortable as well, especially if I'm not going anywhere and I'm not taking any pictures for any content. I still want to make sure I'm in my videos really cute, of course. So I really love how this pajama set feels, you guys, especially the pants fit. I'm a girl who loves wearing pants, like whether it's leggings, pants, or a jogger set. I love wearing pants. So I would say the two-piece pant set is my favorite, and then I also have the shorts. So of course I do get hot, so whenever I want to switch it up, I can go ahead and go to the short set. And black, of course, is my favorite color, and of course it goes with anything. And I'm telling you guys, the way this fabric feels, it feels super duper soft, okay? Like, I can see myself wearing this pajama set all the time, okay? I think I want to try to get it maybe in like white too, but we'll see, because you know, as you guys know, white doesn't stay clean. But yes, you guys, I really want you to check out this pajama set, you guys. Again, they not only have the pants set, but they also have the short set, and it's really cute just to go ahead and lounge in the house and be cute. Okay, you guys, so with this unit, you guys, oh my god, this unit, I would say for me, it was just a little bit more challenging, I would say, again, because it's a 360 unit. With a 360 unit, you got to make sure you cut all around the circumference of the head. Now with this unit, you guys, I will say I didn't cut all around the circumference of the head, just because I didn't want to mess the lace up. So I did leave a little bit of lace in the back. Honestly, I feel like there's nothing wrong with leaving lace in the back, because nobody's gonna see it. Like, if you're doing a middle part like me, nobody is going to see the back, unless you want to do an updo look like I stated before. You could definitely go ahead and do that. Now, another reason why I say it does require a little bit of maintenance is because although you guys can't see the lace, I feel like I had to spray it just a little more, and also use my foundation. Now, I would probably suggest you go ahead and bleach the knots if you don't want to use any foundation. I no longer use the powder to blend my lace anymore. I just found that foundation just, it's just so much quicker, and it blends just so much easier. So I do use my NARS foundation, some old NARS foundation that I had, and I went on ahead and blended the lace. Now, don't get me wrong, you guys, as soon as you go ahead and blend it, it's undetectable. So when you guys go to purchase this unit and it says undetectable, it's really undetectable. As soon as you spray the 𝗧cie glue on, you can already see that it's gonna blend really good. But as soon as you put that foundation on, I'm telling you, it's lace wear. It's like lace wear. As far as plucking, you guys, that's another thing that I also had to do with this unit. I did have to pluck it just a little bit. As you guys can see, you do see my middle part, but you don't see it super duper plucked. I wanted to be careful because usually I do prep the wig on top of a mannequin head and I pluck it, but since I had it on top of my head, I didn't want to like mess up the plucking and maybe pluck too much. And I also did pluck around the edges as well, where I did lay down my baby hairs. Now you guys, I was gonna do the baby hairs like all on my edges and in the front and all that, but I'm like, let me just calm it down a little bit. This wig already, you know, I had to do just a little bit more maintenance than usual, so let me just, you know, be a little bit cool on the baby hairs this time. So I did just do some baby hairs on the sides. These baby hairs lay down so good, you guys. Like I said, I did pluck the hairline just a little bit. I didn't have to pluck too much, but it depends on how you want your hair to blend. That's just basically it when it comes to plucking, how natural you want it to look. I just wanted to make sure when I plucked that the baby hairs looked like they were coming straight out of the scalp. This unit as well, you guys, this unit will also come bulky, okay? So you're gonna definitely need to use some either 𝗪𝗡 glue spray, your hair wax stick to get this unit down, because it's definitely gonna be bulky. It's not hard to get this unit down, but I'm telling you right now, you're definitely, I would say, use something strong. Maybe use some 𝗪𝗡 glue. Me, I used my hair wax stick and I also used my 𝗪𝗡 glue to get this hair down. As far as the feel of this unit, you guys, this unit is definitely more so of a yucky texture. I definitely think this is the Brazilian texture, either the Brazilian texture or the Peruvian texture, because I know with the Peruvian texture, it's definitely a little bit more on the yucky side. So it could be Peruvian, but I'm thinking it could be Peruvian or Brazilian, whichever one. They're both still good. I just know that with Peruvian, it's definitely a little more yucky. One thing I will say, since this is a 360 unit, it did fit my head really good. Since the lace is like fully around the circumference of my head, I didn't really have to adjust the straps too much. I did crisscross the straps in the back of my head, but I'm telling you, since this is a 360 unit, the lace fully went around my head precisely. So all I really had to do was basically just cut the lace and basically just use my Ghost Bond glue, and it fit perfectly. So whether you're a bigger head girl or smaller head girl, it doesn't matter. This wig gives you the advantage of, you know, basically just having to adjust the straps the way you want to, just because this is a 360 unit and you won't have any issues with this fitting around your head. I feel like the 360 unit is meant for it to just fit your head. So doesn't matter what size head you have, you'll be fine. Now, as far as any tangling or any shedding, you guys, I didn't get any type of tangling, nor did I get any shedding with this unit. I did do a lot of combing and everything in this unit. Did a lot of, put a lot of heat in this hair, and there was no type of tangling or any shedding. So this unit is super duper soft. I would just say it's just a little more on the yucky side, but like I said, I love yucky units because it's just more natural. Now this parting space, you guys, this parting space does go about, I would say, 5 to 6 inches back. That's another great thing as well. It makes the unit look even more natural. So I really love the parting on this unit. Like I said before, you guys, if you do not want to do a middle part, you don't have to. You can either do a side part, you can do an updo look, half up, half down. You can do anything with this unit, especially since this is a 360 wig. This unit goes all around your head. There's lace everywhere, so you can basically do whatever you want with this. So this will be the end of today's video, you guys. Make sure if you are new, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you're hitting your post notification bell so every time I post, you don't miss an update. Make sure you like this video, comment below, share, and I will see you guys in my next one.